FIFA server maintenance. What's really going on with the server maintenance for the new season? What they are doing, the maintenance schedule, when they will be going to fix the game, the servers. I got all the detailed timings and all the details from the game developers itself. It's almost the time. In 24 hours, we'll be going to extend the maintenance to prepare for the launch of FC Mobile. You see, let me show you the latest update so you can get exact timing. So without a further ado, let's jump right into all the details. They have got this video right over here onto their Twitter official page regarding new moves, new skills. Here's the thing, guys. FC Mobile, this is what they are talking about. FC Mobile will bring you immersive gameplay. This is kind of a unique perspective, and honestly, this is a kind of a fun experience for me. Just to see the trailer itself. Alright, guys. So FIFA Mobile server maintenance is going on, and we can verify this fact with the Twitter right over here. Here you can see many people are talking about this one. So without a further ado, let's check it out. The latest details from EA Sports FC Mobile. This is the official EA Sports account for the game development team. Alright, they are launching new things right over here, and this is the thing they are talking about. They have got this video right over here onto their Twitter official page regarding new moves, new skills, and all that stuff. So they are trying to get that stuff into the game, and here's the game producer itself talking about it. This will be a lot fun experience in the end. They'll be going to load up new skills, new moves into the game. They call it knock on. This is the kind of a prototype view of the thing. Here you can see the new moves. So guys, do let me know what you think about it into the comments down below. And now talking about the latest update, here you can see, guys, September 24th. It's almost the time. In 24 hours, we'll be going to extend the maintenance to prepare for the launch of FC Mobile. Here's the thing, guys. FC Mobile, this is what they are talking about. And talking about the next thing right over here, 8 hours ago, we are live now. They'll be going to give a first look to the FC Mobile onto the Twitch. Then right after that, here you can see 5 hours ago, in 1 hour, we'll be moving the app into maintenance mode as we transition to the new season. This means you won't be able to access the app until new season goes live. So this is the thing, guys. They'll be going to do a couple of changes, and then right after 4 hours, we are entering a maintenance for the FC Mobile season. You see the pitch in 7 hours. So you see, let me show you the latest update so you can get exact timing details when they will be going to do the server maintenance conclusion. So see, 1 hour ago, FC Mobile is launching in 4 hours. So taking out the latest tweet, 1 hours ago, they have said FC Mobile is launching in 4 hours. So here's the thing, guys. You will need to give at least 3 hours from now. So it will take around 3 to 4 hours so you can play FC Mobile. FC Mobile will bring you immersive gameplay. This is kind of a unique perspective, and honestly, this is a kind of a fun experience for me. Just to see the trailer itself. Do let me know what is your opinion on this one. And guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.